Take a deep breath. Enjoy, enjoy, enjoy. Enjoy. To be in joy means to also enjoy. As you enjoy, you grab the nourishment from the breath and life. You actually become life. You are in joy as you enjoy. I wanted to start this video with some enjoyment, some love as always. A couple deep breaths. That is the most important thing by far, to be able to just enjoy and be present with. Take deep breaths. Should be walking around every day, every moment, just breathing, being aware in your breath, being centered in your breath, being clear in your breath. Just feels so good to breathe. And as you breathe, you hold it down, you keep the mind and the thoughts at bay. They can't come into harbor. They can't come into harbor in your experience. Your experience, your attention, your awareness is in your true self right now, seeing, being right here, right now, as you truly are. In your breath. Do this right now. Just breathe. Allow yourself to actually be here in this phone you're using, or this computer you're using, or whatever you're using. You are here present, and whatever's going on in your peripheral vision, in the backdrop sounds, they just are. They just are. Your state is rich in life. Your state is abundant in good, and seeing good. Everything is not like you. You are in a magical world and like heaven, but you're not using your imagination to create it. It's that you are literally just seeing it for what it is, and the true enjoyment, the true nirvana that's within you is giving these senses of yours that you perceive through the trueness of what those things are, and you can clearly see them, and then that's how you experience this ecstasy. That's how you experience this freedom, this pure love, pure unconditional love, to just being right here, right now, with no conditions to what is needed or what you have gained or what you're waiting for. No, you're just there right now. And you stay there in your breath. You stay there by putting your attention just to be here and not be there, the next, the future, the past, back and forth. You're present. You're in the now. You're now. You are right here now. And it's funny, you've always been in the now. You will always be in the now. Yesterday, tomorrow, you will be still in the now. You can't go forward or backwards. Your true nature is the power of now. it's a waste of time to go there or back there. It is literally a waste of time, and it's not going to serve you any good. It has never served you any good, and it's not going to change. So might as well just settle in and let yourself relax. Breathe. Let go of all the tensions and whatever was you were holding on to that became strong, and then we get kind of entangled with it, and then we're like, oh my god, all this stress, oh my god, all this fears, oh my god, all this anxiety, oh my god, all this depression, oh my god, all this, oh my god, all that, when all of this and all of that are just things that we have put our attention to. That's all it was. They were never real. It was just in the mind, and it never really even had control of us. Yeah, the mind never really even had any control of us. We were on our own will, just paying attention to it. And it's that simple that you can just take your attention back and be present, be here. And not pay attention to that. Just pay attention to your breath. Pay attention to your awareness, your state of how you're seeing right now. Not that you're trying to think of how to think, or none of that. You're just aware as awareness. And it's okay to be that. You can start to walk in that space, and speak in that space, and express in that space. And that's where the true freedom is at. That's where the true love, the true joy, the true inner child lives. And that's what people want to see. That's what we all want to see. Thank you guys for being that. Thank you. Thank you for allowing yourself to be in this sacred space of pure seeing as you are. Words can't even describe this. There's no description. We can't put this state in a box. It's infinite. It's the universe. You can't try to understand with the mind what is beyond the mind. The mind lives in this space. So trying to put all this space into a small thing is impossible. It's like, don't even waste your time. Just live your time. Live your now. Thank you guys. Thank you for showing up for yourself. Thank you for being here with me. Namaste. All is love. Amitabah. Peace be with you.